Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Sophia. In today's B1 English listening session, we'll delve into a topic relevant to all: navigating healthcare visits. This can be an anxious experience for many, and understanding the process can significantly ease these nerves. Let's enhance your English comprehension and speaking skills by exploring this essential aspect of life. Are you ready to get started? Here we go. Visiting a healthcare professional can be daunting. Personally, I feel a mix of nervousness and anxiety each time I have an appointment, eager for it to end. Despite these feelings, understanding the process and what to expect can make these visits smoother. In the U.S., managing healthcare needs involves knowing about various service plans. These plans help individuals and families mitigate the high costs associated with healthcare services. Understanding these options is crucial for making informed decisions and navigating the healthcare system more effectively. When you visit a healthcare facility for the first time, you will likely need to provide a detailed medical history. This information helps healthcare professionals to offer tailored care suited to your specific health needs. For returning patients, this step is usually skipped, streamlining the visit. Before you meet with the healthcare professional, a nurse often takes preliminary measurements such as height, weight, and blood pressure. I find that my blood pressure often reads high due to my anxiety in these settings, which is something I've learned to communicate to the medical staff to avoid misinterpretation. The actual consultation with the healthcare professional typically lasts about 15 minutes. This time can vary depending on the healthcare provider and the facility's schedule. Sometimes these appointments might feel rushed, which can be frustrating if you have concerns that require detailed discussion. If the healthcare professional deems it necessary, they will provide health management advice, which may include prescriptions. These can be collected from a pharmacy. If your condition requires specialized attention, they might refer you to a specialist, and you will need to arrange that visit accordingly. Furthermore, some healthcare professionals operate private practices outside the typical hospital or clinic system. These providers often offer more flexible scheduling and a potentially more personalized approach to care, though their resources might be more limited than those in larger facilities. In addition to learning about the healthcare process, let's expand our vocabulary with some terms and phrases commonly used during healthcare visits. Knowing how to describe symptoms, ask questions about treatments, and discuss health concerns are all crucial parts of effectively managing your health in English. That wraps up our extensive look into navigating healthcare visits. I hope you found this session useful, and that it helps you feel more prepared for any future healthcare interactions. Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments. How do healthcare visits work in your country? What have been your experiences? I look forward to your insights, and we'll see you next time on English with Sophia.